In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access documents and folders using DocuSign CLM. We'll be covering everything you need to know to get you started with this essential tool. So let's dive right in. First, you want to head over to DocuSign's website. It's known as the #1 platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, which is why so many businesses rely on it. Once you're on their website, you'll see a lot of information about what DocuSign offers. But for today's purpose, we're focusing on a specific process. After reaching the main website, the next step is to click on the Login button. This will take you to the login interface where you can enter your credentials. Log in securely using your email and password to ensure that you have access to your personal dashboard and tools. If you don't yet have a DocuSign account, there's an option to sign up for one, which is definitely worth considering. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the DocuSign home. This is the central hub for all the actions you can perform within DocuSign. It's designed to be user-friendly and accessible even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. Now that you're at the DocuSign home, the next thing to do is jump to the section entitled My Dashboard. You can find this under the tabs once you're logged in. Dashboards in DocuSign provide a quick overview of your current projects and agreements, allowing you to keep track of what's happening at a glance. It's a great way to maintain control and ensure that everything is progressing smoothly. Continue by selecting the Reports option. This section grants insights into activities and analytics pertaining to your documents and signatures. Reports help provide an overview of your usage, offering crucial information that can impact your decision-making processes. By examining reports, you can gauge performance metrics and understand the progress and history of your documents. Finally, you'll want to click on My Dashboard. Accessing this feature offers a deeper dive into specific details regarding your documents, providing you with concise data that enables you to streamline your workflows and optimize your document management strategies. Navigating DocuSign CLM effectively ensures that you can manage your documents and folders efficiently. Getting comfortable with these steps enhances your productivity and gives you more control over electronic agreements. Remember, while it might take a little practice to get used to the interface, familiarizing yourself with these features will ultimately save you time and make document management a breeze. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials that will help you get the most out of your digital tools. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.